So over here we're making cassava salad. Yeah, the steps that we used to do this is amazing, incredible, something new that we love to learn. Hello brothers, sisters, yeah, this boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, so as I told you the other day, I'm here with Mama Lou, and she's a cateress, yeah, and she's organizing a demo. So on the 3rd of December, she's organizing a food buffet or something, food demo. Yeah. Varieties of food,
and things that you can do at Christmas.
Okay.
You know, dishes that you can serve or as part of your Christmas menu.
Okay. So it's a food demo. And I believe the students will also learn something after this, what do you call it, after these lessons. Yeah. So I have some serious 6 recipes that she's preparing for this demo. Interesting recipes. Yeah. So let's do this. Cooking with Sindaco. Stay tuned and stay connected. Go on.
We are adding sliced onions and milk
to the cassava.
To the cassava to add flavor. Look at them. Yes, after cooking no, not fry. Fry will give you starchy, gooey, sweet. After we cook it, then we cut it up and dress it. So what milk? Can you use coconut milk? You can use coconut milk, you can use plant milk, you can use dairy, rice milk. You can mix milk powder into water, that's what I specified. But you can also use, I have the UHT milk. You can make a soup. I mean, there are soups where they put coconut milk and things with cassava. There's no free your mind. What I should say. Free your mind. Yes, free your mind. It's going to help and give you creamy cassava. The taste. Cassava has a bitter aftertaste because of the cyanide, and that's what we are countering. Free your mind.
So cooking cassava with some milk is like
free your
new
mind.
thing to me. Interesting.
The rest is fun. Free your mind. Just a little milk and water, and we are going to put some slices of onion in there to flavor it. You can add crushed garlic also. Cassava and garlic go well together. But of course, we don't like frying, so how we, when we finish, we pour everything off. That's it. So what happens? That's it. Yes, that's it. It's imparting the creaminess. It's just to counter the bitterness. Not the coconut cassava. Oh wow. And so we put a little salt. I think I've added some. Then the slices of onion. It's always better after. I'm not even taking the skins off. There's no point. But so it's washed already. Everything has been done already before you came, Don't worry, it's boiling. Okay, so we put it on. You can even add a little sugar to this. Have you seen people cook? It's not too much, like a tablespoon to this. People cook yam sometimes. When the yam is old, it's the same thing.
Cassava with milk.
I'm pouring off the milk. Yeah.
Oh, where's your milk? Smell the crap we are nice.
So I'm going to keep it warm while I cut it up. The better make it fufu. It will work. So now we are going to cut it up.
So this mayonnaise, right?
Yeah. Taste. So like
Is it a size for the salad?
it's okay, yes. Like a potato salad. You can if you want. No, you can eat it cold, but it must be dressed warm so that the cassava salad, you can eat it cold, but it must be dressed warm so that you absorb all the dressing.
The same with potato?
Yes. You dress it warm.
The combination is great. It looks good.
I start blending it with my marinade because it becomes solid. Wow. Just a little, not too much. You see, and cook them soft. Don't overcook your eggs. By all means. It's bronya, isn't it? The whole recipe is bronya recipe. Na bronya no, me pese me who pictures of people doing some of, at least one of the dishes. Try one, at least. See, the colors are popping. Colors are popping. When I'm here, I'll not hear anything. Thou has missed. Alright, done. Where's the black pepper? Give me the black pepper. Anything, you can add ham, you can add anything you want. That's all. You need a little papa banchi. 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 There's a banchi, was it a salad? Finish. Done. We are done.
It's good.
The rice is very nice.
It's going great.
The flavors here are unbelievable. So unbelievable. All the
Yeah, so it is what it is. Yeah, we're done with our cassava salad. Yeah, the banchi salad. Yeah, so I hope you're able to do something next Xmas and with the family and friends and have a quality food anyway. This is kind of local kind of vibe, yeah? For shizzle and nizzle. It is what it is. Yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so be notified when new video drops. Yeah, so I have other videos in the description box that you will love it. Check them out and tell a friend and tell a brother. Let's meet again. I'm out.